All right, so in this video, what I want to do is show you how you can set up a verified caller ID to show your phone number that is actually outside of the phone numbers that are provided or that you can purchase with 360 Ascension. So in order to do that, let's go to settings on the menu. We're going to go to phone system. And then we're going to go to well, not caller ID right here, but on the side here where it says add number, it's in the blue button on the right here. We're going to click on that. And then we're going to click on add verified caller ID. All right, so here is where we want to verify an existing number. So this is a number that you did not purchase inside of your 360 account. This is um, like this could be your personal phone number. This could be a phone number that you purchased with Google Voice, any other place where you have a phone number where you want to use as maybe like your business number, and you want that business number to actually show up as your caller ID. This only goes for outbound calls only. Um, you cannot do inbound calls from here. But this will let you be able to make phone calls with that phone number. It'll show as that phone number, as the caller ID. And then you can make the phone calls from your app or your web-based app as well. All right, so what you'll do is just you'll type in a phone number here. Um, let's say if I did, all I'm going to do is really just type in the phone number here. All right. So you'll type in the phone number. I won't go super far with this, but you'll hit the call me to verify. What happens at that point is a it'll call the system will call that phone number that you provided in this section here, and it'll have you type in it's like a 5 or 6 digit number that'll populate once I click on the call me to verify. So the process is call me to verify. It'll call you, it'll prompt you to type in the number that you see on your screen, and then it'll verify that that phone number exists. It will then add it. Let's go back here. It'll then add it to the verified caller ID section here, and you'll see it on this page here. Okay. So with that being said, if you are doing this for the first time and you don't have any phone numbers in here at all, it will also prompt that you verify that you are a real person. So this may come with maybe you pulling out your government ID or some type of form of identification to verify that you are a legit person. So just keep in mind that that may happen as well too. But that is how you add a verified caller ID.